of the main features in Jomo is app blocking. But what does it mean? Jomo's goal is to prevent you from accessing certain apps for a duration of your choice. App blocking is not a restriction to be taken lightly, so take the time to read all the alerts and messages provided by Jomo. Now, let's explore the different types of sessions. Always on permanent session. This session continuously blocks the apps of your choice. To use them, you need to take a break and temporarily interrupt the blocking. The scheduled session. This session is set to trigger at specific recurring time slots, creating a routine for app blocking without you needing to do anything. The immediate session. This session is designed to be started spontaneously with a predetermined duration ranging from a few minutes to several days. Now let's see how to add a session on Jomo. Everything related to app blocking is in the Rules section, the second icon on the navigation bar. There are two ways to add a session. The first is to start from an existing template provided by Jomo, with 9 fully customizable options. But you can create your own restriction by tapping the black plus button at the bottom of the screen. Start blocking sessions means you are adding an immediate session, while scheduled blocking session means you are adding a session with an indefinite duration. Let's choose the option 1. Once selected, you'll enter in this session setup screen. At the top, you have all the customization information, including the icon and name of your session. Tapping on these elements allows you to modify them as you like. Next is the app blocking part. Take your time to read the screen so that you don't accidentally block apps. Let's start from the top. Apps blocked refers to the apps that will be blocked by the session. Here you have several options: only or all except. Only means you will block only the selected apps, while all except means you will block everything except the selected apps. You're not limited to installed apps. You can block ad content sites, in-app purchase, or other sites of your choice by adding them manually. Now let's move on to strict mode. For some, sticking to restrictions can be challenging. That's why we've implemented strict mode, which strengthens the blocks and limits certain options, like session deletion or editing and more. To discover this feature in detail, simply tap strict mode. Breaks. On Jomo, we've made it possible to temporarily interrupt blocking sessions. If you don't want to access apps during this time, you can disable them. To configure breaks, just tap on Breaks. Here you can choose the maximum duration, the maximum number of breaks, add a delay between each break, or even introduce friction. The choice is yours. Moving to the next session, duration. In this immediate session, you only need to specify your duration. However, you can change the session type by tapping immediate. Let's choose schedule. You can decide to apply it all day or during specific time slot, or even schedule it for specific day of the week. To finish and add this session, simply tap schedule at the bottom of the screen. Once added, the session will be visible in the Rules section and then Sessions. When it's active, meaning it's blocking content, a small badge is added. To modify, delete or pause the session, it's quite easy. Tap on it and scroll to the bottom. We've added a small 5-second delay before deletion, but once that's elapsed, you can simply tap delete. If you need access to an app, don't delete your session, just take a break. Here how it works. Open the app of your choice and tap Take a Break. Make sure to enable notifications to be redirected to Jomo automatically. By tapping the notification, Jomo will present the pause screen. Select your desired duration and confirm. Once the time is over, Jomo will automatically reblock the apps in question. If you grasped the concept of session on Jomo and liked it, you'll love our advanced features. We've done our best on Jomo to integrate with Apple ecosystem so that you can have the best app blocking experience. Integrations with focus filters. On Jomo, you can automatically start a session with focus filters. For example, if you want to block specific apps during work, in Do Not Disturb mode, or even during the night, it's possible. To do this, you need to create a session template. To create a new template, go to Rules, Sessions, and Templates. Add a new template and configure it as you like. Set the session to Always On. Next, go to your iPhone settings and Focus Filters. Choose your preferred mode and scroll down the screen. Tap Add Filter, Jomo, then select the session you recently created. Now, when your focus filters activate, the session will start automatically. Siri Integrations. On Jomo, you can perform several actions using simple Siri commands. When searching for Jomo in Spotlight, you'll see some key actions: start a session automatically, stop a session, or even check your remaining screen time. Note that Siri voice commands are not yet supported by Jomo. Shortcut integrations. If you enjoy automation, you'll love Jomo's integrations with shortcuts. Whether it's blocking an app based on your location, or automatically having your screen time at a specific hour, or confirming your condition with a simple notification, we thought of many interesting things. Let us introduce you to location integrations. Ideal if you want to block apps based on your geographic location. Perfect for leaving work apps at the office and keeping distractions at home. To get started, just like with focus filters, add a session template and set it to always on. Then open the shortcut apps. Tap Arrive. Add your location by tapping Choose next to Location. Make sure to check Run immediately. Tap Next to continue. Tap New Blank Automation. Tap Add Action. Type Jomo in the search bar. Select Start Session, then tap Session Template to add your own template. Tap Done to confirm. Be sure to do the same in reverse to stop the session. Tap Leave. At the same location. Check Run immediately. Tap Next to continue. Tap New Blank Automation. Tap Add Action. Type Jomo in the search bar. Select Stop Session, then tap Session Template to add your template. And finally, tap Done to confirm. Now, your session will block the apps you choose when you are in that geographical area. We've covered Sage, but if you still have questions, don't hesitate to read our Help Center articles. They provide answers to the most common questions. And if you need assistance, feel free to contact us from the app by going to Profile, message bubble icon, chat with us. Please note that we do our best to respond to your messages as much as possible. If you have improvement ideas, don't hesitate to submit them to our community voting by going to Profile, message bubble icon, feedback board. We read all of your suggestions. Thank you and take care.